Congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
So, are we set? Yes, we are set. We are set. Okay. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم صلى الله على نبينا محمد وآله وصحبه وسلم قل اللهم مالك الملك تؤتي الملك من تشاء وتنزع الملك ممن تشاء وتعز من تشاء وتذل من تشاء بيدك الخير إنك على كل شيء قدير. Today we are here at Appeal Court. Alhamdulillah, we thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for granting us victory today. You may recall that at the tribunal it was held that Nasiru Gawuna and APC had a valid case, and the election of the governor was cancelled, and the rule in favor of APC was Gawuna as the governor of Kano State. The aggrieved party, that is the government, has appealed the judgment, and today we are here and the judgment has been delivered. The judgment is in favor of APC, declaring Nasiru Gawuna and Murtala Sulangaro as the governor and deputy respectively. At the tribunal was able to establish that the governor Abba Kabir Yusuf was not a member of NPP, but could not deliver judgment on that. Today, the appeal court has gone further. After declaring that Abba was not a member of NPP at the time of election, it has also delivered that he is not entitled to be the governor under that party. In fact, the ruling clearly said that it's a reckless act by the party to sponsor somebody who is not his own member. So today, alhamdulillah, we are very happy. We thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the people of Kano State, and our leader, the national chairman of APC. We also thank everybody in Nigeria, particularly in Kano. We have been praying very hard for this day, and alhamdulillah, Allah has answered our prayers. Today, all rumors, everything to do with that election has been thrashed, and it has been completely taken, and also a ruling has been delivered. And I'm happy that every one of us here, as we see from APC, we know what we have done. During the election, we know what we have done. We won the election, but because we want to live peacefully, we had to go to court. And today, court has delivered a fair judgment. Thank you very much. Okay, my name is the director of and Nasiru Gawuna,
na lauyoyin suke. Okay. Sai kun yi baya, wallahi sai kun yi baya, sai mun dan yi baya. Dan Allah kun matsa wannan. Lipa. Ina bata taba ba. Wallahi bata taba. APC. Okay. 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 Thank you very much. Today, the Court of Appeal upheld the decision of the Tribunal Election Petition Tribunal for the Governorship Election in Kano State. Of course, as we have stated earlier, that NNPP did not field a valid candidate. Of course, we filed a cross appeal on that, and the Court of Appeal agreed with us and disagreed with the tribunal that the tribunal ought to have disqualified Abba Kabir Yusuf as a candidate because he was not validly sponsored, he was not a member of NNPP as at the time of the election. Of course, also, the Court of Appeal agreed with the decision of the tribunal to deduct the 165,000 invalid votes that were cast in favor of NNPP. We have stated it even before we filed the petition that the NNPP did not win by a majority of the valid votes, and also NNPP did not have a valid candidate. Today we have been justified. The Court of Appeal has upheld our argument. All the three appeals filed by Abba Kabir Yusuf, NNPP and INEC has been dismissed, and of course our cross appeal has been upheld. Yes, of course, costs of 1 million naira was awarded against the appellants. This is to show you what the Court of Appeal thinks about the appeal itself, because in the judgment you have heard what the justices said, that it is no longer the case when political parties will, to the detriment of the provisions of the Constitution, just unilaterally impose a person who is not a member of a political party to contest in an election. Good. The two aspects. One, there are appeals against the decision of the tribunal to deduct the 165,000 valid votes. Those appeals were dismissed and the decision of the tribunal was upheld. There was a cross appeal filed by us that the tribunal erred in law when it did not disqualify Abba Kabir Yusuf for him not being a member of NNPP as at the time of the election. That cross appeal was upheld by the Court of Appeal. I am M.A. Lone, one of the lawyers representing APC. Thank you.